Hello friends, I hope you're doing good. So here I am again with my brush pose, but this one is for face. I don't use foundations, I only use tinted moisture as I told you, but I love blushes. So my first brush would be a blush brush. You've already seen it, it is 116 by MAC. It's not very thick, it's thin, tapered from the side and then flat, so it really picks up nice color like this, and then you can just use it like this. It's really nice. MAC do have 129, which is slightly thicker than this one, slightly thicker, that's why I didn't pick up that one. 129, I picked up 116 by MAC. It's the best blush brush. And then there is a smaller brush than this, which is 109 by MAC. It's good for actually foundations. You know, you pick foundation and then just stipple it on your face. I have never used it for foundations. I do use this one for highlighting my cheekbones because it's almost flat from the top, not very big, picks up the highlighter very nicely and then place it where I want to. It's good for highlighting, I think, and good for blush also, but I've never used this one because I'm so much happy with my 116. It's always the best brush for blush. 116 for blush, 109 for highlighting, and I do use MAC beauty powder a lot. I have Tahitian sand and few more. So for my beauty powder or my blot powder, I like MAC 150. Very big brush, big fluffy brush, but it's really nice to dust loose powder all over your face wherever you can. It's really fluffy, and see how many bristles it has, all natural bristles. So 150 for loose powder. There is 134, it is a bit costlier than this one and very bigger than this one. And for my concealer, I don't use the general concealer brush. I use my 217 eyeshadow brush for concealer. It's really nice, gives equal application for my concealer. My concealer doesn't look patchy. And for my foundations, so these are my MAC brushes for face. For my foundation, the MAC Studio Fix, if I use this brush from, how do you say, Borjo or whatever, Kabuki brush, because MAC Kabuki brush or buffer brush, I think, I don't know the name, I think 180, yeah, 180, it's very costly, so I picked up this one. It's really nice, and 350 or something like that, small one for pressed powder foundation. And then earlier I used to use this one. It is from ELF. It is powder brush. Earlier I used to use this, but then when I purchased my 150, I used this one powder. But this is actually a really affordable one for powder. And then see, I have Sigma brushes also. They have same number as MAC one, but SS is written. See, this is 150, same as my 150. It's really identical, isn't it? And then in Sigma they have this brush. In MAC this brush number is 168 and Sigma has 168, SS 168. It's good for contouring. So I have a dupe, so I didn't pick up the actual one. And you know, some really good options for brushes are Sonia Kashuk ones. They are retractable and so you can carry them around. It's really nice. I have this one for foundation, and then this one for eyeshadow. So here are my brushes, and see, yeah, I have one more foundation brush. I don't use foundation, so it's just a waste of money for me. Thank you so much. My baby is here. I'm just going. Bye.